How to log in to AliPay account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your AliPay account. AliPay is a mobile and online payment platform. It allows users to make online and in-store payments. Now to log into your account, first of all, you need to make sure you have already created an account on AliPay. Now open your AliPay application on your mobile device. Once you open the application, you will land on this homepage. Here at the bottom, you will find various options. If you haven't created an account on it, you can tap on Sign Up option at the bottom left and create an account on it. And if you have deleted your account recently and want to retrieve it, then you need to tap on Retrieve Account at the central button. And if you have multiple accounts and want to switch to another account, you need to tap on Switch Account at the right button below. Now if you want to log into your current account, then tap on this next button right here. Once doing that, you will be asked to agree to the service agreement and privacy protection. Tap on this Agree button and proceed further. Here if you want to log into your account getting a verification code via SMS, then you need to tap on Login via SMS. And if you want to enter password instead, then you may tap on More Options and tap on this password right here. Choose one based on your preference. Here I am going with Login via SMS. Tap on this box and a verification code will be sent to your mobile number. Wait for the code to receive. Once you get the text message with the code, enter that code in this box. Once I have entered it, wait for a while to get verified. And once doing that, you will see you have successfully logged in to your AliPay account. Now you can start using your AliPay for payments and other services. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.